Let's get in. And 3, 2, 1, go!
And the robots are off. Mantabots hitting those shots. Frost, we're seeing a large Blue Alliance making all of those shots. Blue Alliance opening that gate as soon as possible. Red Alliance is going to need to open that gate. A little bit of overflow there, but Blue Alliance is just hacking away at those artifacts. We're seeing 48 for the Blue Alliance, 37 for the Red. Teams are still scoring. Red Alliance in prime position right now for teleop. Blue Alliance still scoring at the very end of auto.
Drivers.
Very close to autonomous there. Blue leading by about 10 points, 22 to 15. Artifacts loaded up near the blue tunnel and on the red ramp, especially that side of the field. Red Alliance is going to try and take advantage of that as much as they can. Open that gate as soon as possible so they don't risk overflowing that gate or that ramp. Blue Alliance is going to try and maintain this lead. With that pretty empty ramp, it's going to be pretty easy to just cycle those things back and forth without letting the Red Alliance get in on any of their artifacts. Royal is over there kind of posing a threat to the Red Alliance, moving in there, stealing some of those released artifacts from the gate. But we're seeing a lot of contact over there in the far side. Teams pushing each other while they're trying to disrupt the arc of every team's shooting. In terms of scoring, Blue Alliance is running away with it right now. 148 to 81. 27991. I'm a Genius just completely cycling like nobody's business right near that blue goal. Frost Robo Falcons desperately fighting to get a good position in that far spot to take enough pot shots. There's some kind of rivalry going on here between these two teams. Royal and Robo Falcons fighting back and forth, strafing in that far alliance. Meanwhile, Mantabots just kind of putting up numbers over there by that Red Alliance. Red Alliance was having a lot of problems with the ramp early on in this game and overflowing, but it looks like in terms of gate management, they've been able to keep that under control relatively easily. Blue Alliance is in the lead, though, by about 120 points. That's partially due to I'm a Genius just, like I said, cycling away here. In this last couple minutes, Blue Alliance is going to release that gate. Red Alliance is probably going to refrain. Oh, my. And Royal is lifting up. Hopefully to get double full park with I'm a Genius. Little unstable, and they're in there. And that might be a double full park. We'll have
Blue Alliance wins with a score of 293 for Mer 91.